Welcome to the Weather Centre at the start of a new work week. The day starts off with some fog along the northeastern and eastern escarpment, and that's as a ridging high pushes in moisture over the eastern part of South Africa. It also results in some morning drizzle along the northeastern escarpment, as well as some rainfall along the north coast of KwaZulu-Natal. It'll be a mostly clear start to the day in the northeast, with fine and dry weather for the rest of South Africa. Warm temperatures are forecast in the south, with berg winds warming temperatures up, and we'll see some high cloud move in from the west, as well as some evening fog pushing in along the west coast ahead of a cold front which will arrive on Tuesday. Overall, we're expecting a dry day, other than a 40% chance of rainfall along the north coast of KwaZulu-Natal, as well as some drizzle along the northeastern escarpment, with all of that precipitation occurring in the first part of the day. Maximum temperatures remain in the mid-20s for the northwest, 23 for Pretoria and Bombela, 21 degrees for Johannesburg and Polokwane, 24 as we head towards Welkom, 19 degrees for Bethlehem, with a mild day over the KwaZulu-Natal interior with most highs in the low 20s. You'll see highs heading towards the mid-20s for Grahamstown and Bishu, as well as Port Elizabeth and East London, where we can expect a north-northeasterly wind. And then you'll see a fresh northeasterly wind as we head towards Durban and Port St Johns, with a moderate southeasterly wind for Richards Bay and a 1.5 metre southerly swell along the east coast. It'll be a hotter afternoon for Graaff-Reinet and Vredendal at 27 and 28 degrees, with the rest of those maximum temperatures heading into the mid-20s with a warm Monday afternoon. We're forecasting a moderate westerly wind for Muizenberg and Hermanus, both at 19 degrees, with a light northerly breeze from Mossel Bay all the way through to Jeffreys Bay, and along the south coast we're expecting a 1.5 metre southwesterly swell on Monday. Hot for Uppington at 28 degrees, with Prieska, Kimberley and Springbok all in the mid-20s, 22 as we head towards Calvinia and R. Along the west coast, we're expecting a predominantly west-southwesterly wind in the afternoon, with more of an easterly wind in the morning, 24 degrees for Lambert's Bay, 22 for Longabon and Cape Town at 20, with a 2 metre southwesterly swell at 12 seconds. A cold front brings in cooler weather and rainfall, mainly over the western and southern part of South Africa on Tuesday. We're expecting hot weather over the eastern parts as well as over the central part of the country. That's all from the Weather Centre for now. Have a lovely Monday.